students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss the second lesson of your supplementary reader book named as Vistar. I am calling this chapter the second one because earlier two chapters, the Tiger King and the Journey of the End of the Earth, is being deleted. Therefore, this has become the second chapter after the first chapter. First chapter was the third level. Okay, and after that, this is the second lesson. Name of the lesson is The Enemy, and it is written by Pearl S. Buck. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss the main characters of the story. So, the main character of the story is Dr. Sadao. Okay, he is a Japanese doctor. Then his wife Hana. Hana was Dr. Sadao's wife. Then one more character, that is a prisoner of war. And basically he was an American. And in the lesson he is being addressed by POW, which means prisoner of war. Okay, so these all are the main characters here. And let us first of all know about the theme of the lesson. Means Dr. Sadao was a Japanese doctor. Okay, and Hana was his wife. Then a prisoner of war is there who just washed off near the house of Dr. Sadao, because their house was near the seashore. Okay, so then what happened? They just went down the stairs and just see that who is there. He was injured, brutally injured. Okay, and as being a doctor, his responsibility was to save the life of a human being, whether he is an American or Japanese or from any other nationality. But this was the time when Japan and America was in war. Okay, so being a Japanese, his national feelings were not allowing him to help him, to cure him, to give him any medical treatment. But being a human being, he has taken an oath while becoming a doctor to save the life of human beings. So what he will be doing here in the story, let us see, means whether he will help the prisoner of war who was an American, or he will let him to die. Okay, so that we will discuss in the story. Let us see.
So today we are going to discuss the second lesson of your book Vistas, and the name of the lesson is The Enemy, and the author's name is Pearl S. Buck, and she was basically an American writer and novelist and daughter of missionaries, and she won the Pulitzer Prize in 1932. In 1938 she was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. She was the first American woman to win the Nobel Prize for Literature, and she was a prominent advocate of the rights of women and minority groups. So, this was a short but brief introduction of Pearl S. Buck. Now, let us see more about the author. The author was an American, and she was brought up in China. She had a humanistic approach towards the problems of life. In the story, she expresses that although nations were at war, but individuals were humans, and they could feel for each other and help others from the enemy countries. So, this is the experience of the author herself. In the World War II, America and Japan were at war, A Japanese doctor, Dr. Sadao, hated America because of his patriotism. He had been raised by his father, who was a patriot. Dr. Sadao had met Hana, his wife, in America, where he had gone to study surgery. His house was solitarily situated on the seashore. So, here it has been described that Dr. Sadao hated America because he was a patriot, true patriot, and he learned surgery at America. Let us see forward. An American prisoner of war is washed ashore by the sea in front of the doctor's house. He crawls towards the house and then falls unconscious. Considering him to be a fisherman, they run to help him. Upon recognizing that he is an enemy, Dr. Sadao has no reason to save him and thinks of leaving him there to die and throw him back into the sea. So, as earlier, it has been described that Dr. Sadao was a true patriot. Therefore, earlier he saw a man who was wounded and washed ashore on the seashore. So, he and his wife ran towards him to help him because they considered him as a fisherman. But when they come to know about the real identity of that person, that he was an American prisoner of war, so they just move aback and they just thought that either they will leave him on his own fate because he was an American, they were not in the intention to help him, or they will throw him back into the sea to die. The soldier is wounded, probably shot at from behind when he escaped captivity. Dr. Sadao unwillingly plugs the bleeding wound, takes the man to his home, operates him, and takes care of him. Hana helps her husband dutifully, as all the servants object to this act of kindness towards an American. So, all the servants of Dr. Sadao were against this act of kindness of the doctor and his wife because he was an American. Means the prisoner of war, the wounded person, was an American, and therefore all the servants were not in the favor to help. Therefore, Hana assisted Dr. Sadao in the treatment of that wounded person. The servants took their wages and left the job. They had been working there for a lifetime. Seeing his wife in distress, Dr. Sadao promises her of solving the matter, and so, on his visits to check, the general narrates the incident to him. The general assures him that he would help him get rid of the enemy at night. So, Dr. Sadao shares his pain with a general who was in army. So, the general promised him that he will solve this terrible situation of Dr. Sadao. Okay. Because due to his act of helping an American, all his servants left his house. Therefore, his wife Hana was disappointed. As the assassins do not come, Sadao gets tired of waiting and so decides to getting rid of the enemy. He helps him escape by providing information as to the way to escape and the necessary things required. So, Dr. Sadao keep on waiting for the assassins that the general had promised to send so that the American prisoner of war can be easily killed. Okay, but the general forgot to send those assassins. Therefore, Dr. Sadao just waited for a very long time, and after that he just intended to help the American prisoner of war when he was quite healthy, and he just provided him all the things which he will be requiring to his journey. Then, on the next visit, Dr. Sadao told the general that the American had escaped. Although we all know that Sadao himself had sent the prisoner of war, the American, but he just informed the general that he had escaped. The general recalls that he had failed to send the assassins, which was not due to lack of patriotism or lack of performing his duty, but simply because he had been absorbed in his own affairs. So, when Dr. Sadao informed about the escapism of that American prisoner of war, then General realizes that he could not send the assassins to kill him, and he just tried to convince Sadao that out of his own busy schedule, he just forgot to send the assassins, but he just tried to convince him by saying that he is a true patriot, means he was in the intention to kill him. Dr. Sadao realizes that he is safe and is thankful to the general. The servants return and gradually everything goes back to normal. The doctor hates the American and wonders that why did he save him and not let him die. So, when Sadao has sent that American prisoner of war in a boat and provided him all the necessary things which he will be requiring, like food, clothes and all, along with all the things he had given him a torch also, that, and he asked him that when he will reach the nearby island, then show 2 flashes so that Dr. Sadao will be assured that he has reached safely to the nearby island. So when he got those 2 flashes, then he just become assured that the prisoner of war, American prisoner of war, has reached to his destination safely. Okay, and but there was a question arises in the heart of Dr. Sadao that although he hates Americans, but then also he had saved an American. So he just thought that why he did so. He did so out of his duty. As he was a doctor, he has taken oath to save the human beings, all the human races, without being any partial. Therefore, he had helped him. So, this story gives us a moral that although patriotism is also a feeling that everyone should show towards his country, but before that patriotism, one more duty of every human being comes, that is to help the other human beings, means to show pity, sympathy and empathy towards the other human beings whom also God has created.
So, I hope students, you all have understood that above all the things, above the nationality and all, caste, religion, above all the things, the humanity stands first. So, here also Dr. Sadao has chosen humanity first, and he treated prisoner of war, and even he helped him to just move away from Japan. Okay, so be helpful towards the human beings in your life. Thank you.